What up, guys? Welcome back. This is your boy Fosudo. We actually just got a new mic in, so this sound quality is the old mic. We're gonna be trying something new. You know, we got that new XLR mic. The LC200 from Monoprice was a super great deal. They're running bundle packages right now, so if you want a new mic, go ahead and copy one of those ASAP.
Gain up. We got the gain, mic gain, all the way up. Let's turn that all the way up, fuck it. And let's see if we can set up a new mic. Settings, audio.
Yo, what up, guys? It's your boy Fosudo on the new mic, the LC200. We're gonna be fine-tuning it sometime this week. Maybe we might even make a stream out of adding settings, changing settings, doing this, doing that, seeing what we can really do to enhance the sound quality for the stream and YouTube videos. But this is just a test right now, just to see what's up. So far, it sounds way clearer in the headphones than it does anywhere else on my computer. Tried it through the speakers. Sounds about the same, but through the headphones, it's completely different. If y'all haven't already, hit that like and sub button and come check us out later. We stream Monday through Friday, 7:30 Eastern time. So, catch y'all.